And doing 1313 on my back end with another banger unboxing review. Today we got the Conjuring 3-pack, guys. The Conjuring with free digital codes, guys. It includes the first one and the second one and then the third one and then your mom's fucking. Let's get out of the package. They're all rated R. They're rated D for deadly, guys. It's just unboxed. My mom's talking. There, you can hear her. There it is out of the packaging. Shit. Wow. There's the digital code. There's only one. You can get all three, I guess. Conjuring 2, Conjuring 3, and yeah. And there it is, guys. Really scary movie. Really scary. Really scary. Might be too scary. But your mom's fucking can't fuck. Let's put it back in the packaging. Shit. And if you don't know, now you know. And bye.